Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily create Teams meeting requests in Outlook. You can also easily join a Teams meeting from a received meeting request in Outlook. Microsoft Teams is replacing the older Skype for Business app, which provided similar functionality for online meetings in Outlook. To create a new Teams meeting request in Outlook, click the Calendar icon in the navigation bar to open the Calendar folder. Then click the New Teams Meeting button that appears in the Teams Meeting button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then fill out the meeting request as usual. Alternatively, to change a standard meeting request in Outlook into a Teams meeting request after creating it, simply click the Teams Meeting button that appears in the Teams Meeting button group on the Meeting tab of the meeting window. After creating a Teams meeting request in Outlook, Outlook adds a Join Microsoft Teams Meeting link into the large text field in the meeting window. To join this meeting, your meeting's invitees can click this link in the email they receive or in the meeting after it is moved to their calendar if they accept it. Note that the specific information that appears along with this link can change depending on the information your organization's team administrator chooses to add to meetings. For example, you may also see available call-in numbers for the meeting appear here for users who may choose to call into the meeting versus using the Teams app. To set the options for the Teams meeting, you can hold the Control key on your keyboard and then click the Meeting Options link that appears in this field to open the Meeting Options window within your default web browser. To set which invitees can bypass the meeting's lobby, select a choice from the Who Can Bypass the Lobby dropdown. To set if callers can bypass the lobby, use the Always Let Callers Bypass the Lobby switch to select either Yes or No. To set if Teams should announce when callers join or leave, use the Announce When Callers Join or Leave switch to select either Yes or No. To choose who can present during the team meeting, make a choice from the Who Can Present dropdown. Then click the Save button to save your choices. You can then close the web browser page. Then finish creating the meeting as normal. Then click the Send button in the meeting window to invite the attendees to your Teams meeting in Outlook.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.